It is a super exciting time to be alive in the world of conservation, primarily because we have access to technologies that we never had before that help us speed up our data collection and also enhance the accuracy of our data analysis as well. For example, highly customizable apps that allow us to collect ground truth data that can consolidate with our drone data. Here you can see the field observer indicated by the blue arrow. This is the GPS from their device overlaid onto a high-resolution drone map and a feature that they have just created. As the observer moves through the field, so does the indicator. And then as soon as they get to a point of interest, such as vegetation in this example, they can put a feature point down and start to record some information. So in order to do so, they will have to put in their recorder information, which will then unlock a data capture tab that is not yet visible. So once the field analyst has put in their information, a data capture tab will open and they can start to fill in pre-configured information. Capturing information like this is super quick. It also makes the data capture process a lot faster, and the data can also be uploaded seamlessly into the cloud from the fields. It makes it extremely easy to be able to capture images in the field as well, such as the actual alien vegetation that you're looking at. And this can then be overlaid and consolidated with your drone map. From there, you can also do some drawings on your images as well if there's any pieces of information that need to be added, and you can automate things like timestamps as well. Once the fields have been filled, a red dot will come up indicating alien vegetation. If it is native vegetation, it will come up in green.